Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. Today I'll discuss about Maven. So how you will create a Maven project for Selenium WebDriver. So I'll show you a step-by-step process how to do that. So today's topic basically, what is Maven then? Maven is a build automation tool used primarily for Java project. Maven can also be used to build and manage project for other languages too. So what I will do, create Maven project for Selenium WebDriver, update pom.xml file, then run the test. So I will use Selenium and test-ng. So let's open the Eclipse first. Here is the Eclipse. Go to File, then click New, then you have to go for Other and look for Maven. Here is Maven. Then we'll create Maven project. Then click Next. Then we'll create a simple project. Then click Next. Then group ID. So we'll name as a group ID Maven example. Then we'll do artifact ID test Maven. Okay, snapshot package is jar, that's all we will do. Then click finish. Here is the test Maven project created. If you expand this one, click over here, this is Maven project. You see there is a pom file, pom.xml. Basically from pom.xml you have to update. In our previous tutorial we'll add the jar file locally. Now we'll all the jar file through the maven pom.xml file. You see there is no Maven repository over here. Once we will update the pom file, then automatically Maven repository will be created over here and all the jar file will comes up over here. So what we'll do, it is our Java version. So let me update the Java version. Test Maven, right click, properties, and then Java system library, edit, take the JDK whatever for the default workspace, click finish, then apply and close. Now we have to do the Maven. First we have to create dependencies. If you enter, dependencies is created. Within that dependencies we have to take the Selenium and test-ng. So open Google Chrome or any browser, go to google.com, then type maven repository for Selenium. If you search with the Maven repository for Selenium, go to the first link, mavenrepository.com, go to this one. Here is Selenium Java. So click Selenium Java, then go to for latest version 4.2.0, click over here. You see this is the dependency. Copy from here and take it to the this dependency. Selenium, we took Selenium. Now let's take for test-ng. Type over here test-ng and click search. You see test-ng here. Click test-ng, then latest version, then copy from here. Copy, then go to Eclipse, paste it over here. So it is Selenium and test-ng here. It is not like a indent correct way. So select all, Control Shift F, it is indent very nice way. So all are done. Once it is done, look at this, there is no Maven repository over here. Once it is done, click save. You see Maven dependencies created. So that's Maven is completed. Now we have to create the package and class, then we need to run our test. So in order to do that, we'll do one more thing. So once it is test Maven, go to the project level, right click, you can do run as Maven build. Maven build, type over here clean install, then select skip test, apply, then run. You'll see all the Maven jar is downloaded and build is success. Once build is success, you need to perform another action, test Maven, right click in the project, then Maven update project, click over here. So test Maven, force update person abstract release. Okay, it is updated. So clear over here. Now POM is good. Then go for the source test Java, right click, new, create a package. Let's say package name com.qa, click finish. Package is created. Once package is created, right click in the package, new, other, create test-ng class. Test-ng class, next, right over here test name, Maven test example. We're not taking before method anything else, just finish. You see, here is our test created, test method created. We don't even add the jar manually or locally. All will be like repository Maven dependency. So first is create the WebDriver instance, WebDriver driver equal to null. So WebDriver, import WebDriver. Then we need to just a browser code we need to write. So I have written over here, just copy. Just to make a shorter video, I'm copying from other place and paste it over here. So here is system.chrome driver, we need to import, it is red mark. So first is system.set property, where our Chrome driver is. It is basically location and Chrome driver statement. Then we are doing Chrome driver instance creation, then driver.navigate to chase.com, then it will maximize. Then we can put a custom message, Maven project run successfully. It is done. Then just for page load purpose, we can do some wait time, thread.sleep, let's say 3000 millisecond. It will wait 3 seconds. Red mark, mouse over, add throws declaration. Then we can close the browser. Driver dot close. So in order for Maven project, it will, all the jar file will update automatically. Maven will take care of that. You don't need to update anything manually in the build path. So if you see the build path, there is no jar file for Selenium test-ng and all other thing. So Maven will take care of that part. That's easiest way. So it maintain the jar file for Maven automation build tool. It is done. Then right click, run as test-ng test. Browser open, is navigated to chase.com, maximize. It will wait 3 seconds, then it will close. It is closed. You see, test is passed. the total test run. Let's see the message Maven project run successfully. So that's all about our tutorial. I believe those who are new in Selenium automation testing, this Maven project creation will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Thank you for watching this video.